Alright guys, got this from Amazon and excited, right? It's a video, it's a camcorder, video camcorder with microphone right there. Good stuff. And yeah, this is what I got. Best sticker, camera recording microphone, and right here, this is where we have a camcorder. So right now, yeah, we have, I think this is the charger for the battery. This is a connection to the computer. And this is HDMI port, right? Oh, look at this. We got right here. We got this is what the remote. Crazy. This thing a remote, and this is the back. And right here we got two batteries. You see, we have two of them. And you got to charge the battery. This is the battery charger. And this is the cover. Camcorder right here. This is the main one. Okay. Yeah, let's check out the thing. So I'm gonna open the package. Camcorder. Oh, here it is. Well protected. You have like plastic on it. Okay. See this little back here. You can hold it so that it doesn't drop. Open it right here on the side. So right now I haven't inserted the battery. Right here we have option to. This is the tripod side. So I can open here. See that? Insert a battery and SD card right here, battery right here. And for the sake of demonstration, I'm just gonna insert one battery. Okay, I'll remove from the plastic. So and I'm gonna insert it. I'll insert the battery. It's starting up. Boom. Okay. Then look at it. Look how clean it is. Taking this shot from outside. Okay. Right here, there's a tree in front of my place. Pretty cool, guys. It's a good, great product. You have the menu. Right here, you have the menu option. Okay, you see that? The menu. Click on the menu. See the menu appear right there. Okay, my shot not perfect. So right here we have a resolution, we have AVD, color, exposure, and metering, and we have return option. Oh, cool! It's also touchscreen. See that? Type in our menu. Menu pops up. So this screen is called touchscreen. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the the micro, and then I'm gonna attach it. Okay, look at the micro from the box. Here is the micro, and look at that. There's no spot for the battery. It has an insert battery, so I can just click on it. See that? It's already light on. You can turn it on and turn it off. So the good thing is that this microphone doesn't need a battery. I'm gonna attach it right here. So unplug, insert, and right here I can take the header, all right, and insert it right here. There you go, guys. So now look at my stuff. Wow, cool. Like a professional. No matter whether you're a professional or a beginner, okay, you can use this thing. It's pretty nice, pretty cool, easy to use, and I'm gonna leave the link down below the YouTube page so that you can just click on the link and get the item. It's pretty cheap, $150. This thing should cost like $700 something. $150 on Amazon. High quality, guys. Highly recommended. Go and check it out. I will send the link, post the link, Amazon link, the product right below the page of the video description, so you can go and get it. So thank you so much and have a good one. See, all what you got for $150, guys, here has a little thing. You have this remote. I haven't even used the remote. It already has a battery included. So if you look at it right here, you put it so that the battery doesn't drain, right? So there's a battery included. If I unplug it, I can be able to operate the camcorder with it. So it's brand new, cheap price. And right here you have this opening section here. See that? You can pop it and open it. You have different input option right here. See that? You can insert the microphone. You can insert also for the data. Wow, it's pretty cool. So highly recommend it, guys. Good price. I'm enjoying it. So if you want to get it, the link, like I said, should be on the description of the page. It's not a commercial stuff. They'll post there so that if you like it, you want to get it, just click on the link, go to Amazon and buy it. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.